how you can make your first $500 per day or more than $10,000 per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 as a beginner. Now in this very short 6-minute video, I'm going to give you behind the curtain, behind the scenes, the real secret of super affiliates and how it works step by step so you can duplicate it in 2025. Okay, so as you can see over here, right, this is one of the affiliate networks we are promoting weight loss offers, Nutra, manifestation products, hobby niche, woodworking, right? So many different everyday products that people are anyway buying online. Now, what is the secret to it? Now, let's say, for example, with TikTok affiliate traffic, if you're using free traffic or paid traffic, we always combine that. Organic plus paid. So my strategy is 1 week we are spending, let's say, $25-30 per day, and the next week we stop. Of course, as we scale, we spend more money, but at the beginning, we stop. We are only running for 7 days, and the next 7 days is organic traffic. Okay, so it means like you can stop running, spending money on ads, and you still make money. How? You can see over here, right? 100,000 views in the 7 days, 8,000 likes. Now, likes doesn't matter, right? This is just engagement. But engagement, the right engagement, the buyer's intent engagement is very important. Those are the people who will leave positive reviews and comments under asking, for example, okay, how can I get rid of acne? How can I get rid of my back pain, right? And you engage with your affiliate link, with your landing page on ClickFunnels, which is all done for you, of course, when you work together one-on-one. But very important is to understand, likes, it does not mean money in the bank, okay? The right kind of engagement is important. You can have 40 likes or 40 and only 3 comments and you make $800 with 3 sales, right? So it really doesn't matter. What matters is to understand that you need buyer's intent. People, for example, on TikTok or Google, those are people with a high buying intent. They're high emotional state audiences, right? They know what they want. They are ready to buy. That's very important, right? Now let me show you the math behind it, very simply. Now, before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram over here, right? As you can see over here, I'm sharing all the time all the things that actually work in 2025. Now, if you have any other questions later, you can still reach out to me on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook Messenger, my email, right? It's all in the description below. Now, let's go straight into it so you can see exactly how this works in practice. All right. So as you can see over here, this is one of the ClickBank products, one of the ClickBank offers that's paying $216 per sale. Okay? So it means that entire funnel, you can earn $216 per one customer. You can see with all the upsells and downsales. Right? Very important. Very important. Let's look next, okay? Let's look at this. Just one buyer can 10x your ad spend. What do I mean by that? For example, let's say you are spending $30 on ads per day. $30, right? So if one funnel buyer gives you $216, right? It means one customer will buy one upsell product, one product from the front end, and then all the upsells and downsells. You, my friend, you make $216. Now, as you can see over here, even if you just have one buyer every 3 days, you're still profitable. You're still making profit. Why? Because you're making $216 per sale. So it means you can spend money for 3 days. You spend $90 and you only make one sale on day 3. You still are profitable. Okay? Very important. That's why people, especially newbies, are afraid to invest money because they don't understand the economics behind the advertising, right? Let's look at this over here, right? Let me show you. So once we scale up, right, you can make more money without extra work, without doing anything, right? So for example, if you scale to $60 per day, you're making $372 profit per day. And once you are at $372 profit per day, you're already making $10,000 per month, right? But if you decide, okay, let me scale to $100 per day, you're making $600 profit per day. You see how the simple and easy the math is once you have someone who can show exactly how this works. Because most of the affiliates are making the biggest mistake, the deadly mistake, which is they go after the low-hanging fruit without understanding that the magic of affiliate marketing is understanding who's your audience, right? And meeting them where they're at. having the right message, the market match. That's why it's called pre-sale page. Because we have to get person into the problem state and move them through the decision-making process into the solution state where the sales are happening. Of course, without showing your face, right? So here you can see how you can make your first 100K per year. That's easily $297 per day, right? This is less than $300 per day. Now, if you have tried to make money before, it's not your fault. If you have failed, it's not your fault, okay? Because now you know what is missing, right? What is different in 2025, right? And if you already knew how to make money, you wouldn't be watching this video, but you don't. And the reason why is because you tried all these other courses. You tried all these different programs, and they never teach you exactly, give you exactly what you need, which is understanding your audience. We have low emotional states, high emotional states, and having great offer with great upsell take rate, which is high quality, of course, right? So that's how you can make it consistently sustainable income online, right? Now, as you can see over here, what we get done together over the Zoom call, as you can see with my students, right? We connect together, we get it done, right? I'm sure you have bought courses before in the past, $3,000, $5,000 US, and you had to wait weeks and weeks watching videos at home just to realize, heck, this is not the same. Like the layout is not the same on Facebook ads or YouTube ads or whatever, Google ads, right? Because you are in Australia, maybe you're in India, I don't know where you're at, and you cannot ask someone. There is no one-on-one support. There's no customer service available, right? Maybe you need to wait for an email reply. Maybe your ad accounts get shut down. And understand, it's not your fault, right? So now you know what is missing, what you have to do to take action to start getting results in 2025. So this can work 100% for you. If you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day, you don't need any prior experience, okay? If you're worried, oh, do I need any experience about website building? No. All this is done together for you, with you, so you can actually fast forward yourself and focus on what is important. Spending those 20 to 30 minutes per day setting up together as you watch over my shoulder these ad campaigns so you can know exactly what's working, right? Now, if you want to get results in 2025 with affiliate marketing, what you can do next, you can connect with me one-on-one. So all the links for my WhatsApp, my email, my Facebook Messenger are in the description below. So you can reach out to me, okay? But only if you're serious. There's also a free Facebook group that's going to be available for support. So do let me know, but only if you're serious. If you really want to move forward and you really, really want to take this seriously in 2025.